All right, hey, what's happening, y'all? Seriously, what's happening?
What's happening? We got Flex, we got Stunner.
Hey, we in this thing.
So today we're gonna show you how to export a high quality WAV file.
Let's get it. Let's get it. HQ.
Let's get it.
No headquarters.
So, what you want to do is go to the file, export.
What?
You heard export, so we're gonna export a WAV file.
Oh.
Get that WAV on them.
Okay.
So save type WAV. We're gonna call this a picture beat. I don't know why.
Okay.
So
And
what you want to do under this quality, well, first let's look at the WAV. So you want to check the WAV. WAV is the best quality. It's also gonna be a big ass file. So I mean, some of the WAVs I get nowadays are like 90 megabytes, but your MP3 is gonna be way smaller, but also less quality. It just has more information on the file.
I would say that's something to pay attention to mostly when transferring files, like through email or posting on like some type of platform.
Yeah, and it'll tell you how big the file goes. So this is not a big file, so it'll tell you how much space it's taking at. Look at it, 693 to 10,000.
Yeah, that's not a whole lot.
Yeah, but I mean, once you get in the bigger files, you get all your plugins, and it'll be turned into like 80 megs real fast. So you can choose to get the tail off. You can leave the remainder. That's what I usually do. Or you can cut it. I don't really mess with the wrap. So I usually
I like how specific that is. I actually like to cut it on a lot of beats. But sometimes it depends on what type of beat you have. Like some beats sound better if they just fade out, and others if you just cut it.
Yeah, and kind of like tracking out a song. I mean, you can make a zip package, but sometimes you just want to send someone a pattern. So you can switch it to like a 2-second pattern or a full 16 bar full song.
And your full song is like what you would hear through your playlist, like just playing it on song mode.
Yeah, from beginning to end, which would be like right there. So I always make sure there's quality resampling, so it's 512 point sync. Yep. I don't exactly know what's going on here.
That's almost like word on the street, really.
Word.
Like, yeah, you don't need a great explanation for everything in life.
Yeah. It's his highest quality. And then HQ, high quality for all plugins. I don't really mess with the rest of these, but, you know.
Yeah, HQ for all plugins is a good one. I think that's pretty much how it is. And then if you want to split the mixer tracks.
Yeah, so the split mixer tracks, if you turn that on, it's going to make all the mixer tracks into separate WAV files, basically. I don't know. Do you have a good example of
that? When people ask for trackouts online, or like if you've ever sold beats through like BeatStars or Airbit, a lot of times they ask for trackouts. A lot of artists like trackouts, and typically that's like when you're selling exclusive beats only. So if you're leasing beats, you usually wouldn't even bother with that. But if somebody's gonna ask for a trackout on an exclusive, that's how you do it. Yeah. And we'll have another video on that, actually.
Yeah, and then save tempo information. I actually don't remember this one being on FL12.
Me either.
So that's actually pretty dope. You can save the tempo info, because I know every time I send beats out, I always forget to put the tempo.
Oh yeah, and FL will definitely modify the properties of what you have. Like,
yeah, so we at 130, and then the rest of these I don't really mess with too much. So, you know, I'll just start that up.
6, 7. This is like the New Year's countdown.
See if the mouse, I can follow it. Bang.
Drip. Download folder. Let's play it. Download folder. Hold up. Download folder.
Downloads.
Should be at the top, man. Wait. Yep. Picture beat. There it is. Sounds familiar.
Yep.
Cool.
Give that 5 stars.
Indeed. That's an amazing 30-second beat, fam.
Picture beat. Yeah,
Yep,
so
and that's the
words
beat. That's the beat here. I don't know if we played it or not. So it's exactly the same, pretty much. But all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. This is advanced exporting FL Studio.
Sheesh.
All right, y'all. Peace out.